Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing for the CZUR StarryHub all-in-one conferencing system and show you how does it work. So without further ado, let's open the box. In the box, we have the StarryHub main unit. We have the power adapter, we have the touchboard to control the unit, and also the StarryHub click drop. This thing is a beast. It controls everything you need all in this box. In the front, you can see the huge projector lens, and right next to it, you can see the autofocus camera. And on the back side, we have the camera, we have a LAN port, we have HDMI port, we have the USB 3 port, we have the USB 2 port, and we also have a DC in for power. And on the top, we have the charging dock and also the microphones. On the right side, we have the speaker, and at the bottom, we have the elevation brackets. All right, now it's time to turn this on and I can show you how does it work. So the StarryHub is turned on and you can see that huge screen right in front of the projector. One thing that I like about this projector is the autofocus mode. So it adjusts the tilt and the focus based on the screen in front of it, and you don't need to touch anything else. And I can control everything using the touchboard right here. So you can pretty much use it as a touchpad to move the mouse cursor, and you can switch between the keyboard and the mousepad mode. You can also adjust the volume, change the focus mode, change the signal source, go to home, back button, super convenient and easy to use. And this is the main menu of the projector. We have the frequently used apps, we have a right pad, we have access to the files, we have the setting, we have option for screencasting, we have the video meeting apps as well. Now I'm going to try the screencasting using my phone. We need to go to the network option and connect to the Wi-Fi. And click join, we are connected. You can also test your internet speed. It works with Chromecast, Miracast, Airplay, DLNA, and also more settings available. But first we need to install the CZUR app and add the device. Now open the CZUR app, click on the plus on the right side. We're gonna click on wireless screencasting, and immediately we see the StarryHub that we can connect to. As you can see, my phone is projected on the screen, and we can pretty much do whatever we want on the phone, and there is no lag. Everything is smooth. One other thing that I love about the StarryHub is casting 4 different screens at the same time. Right now I have 3 different screens. I have 2 computers connected, and I also have my phone casting on the right side. It just makes your meeting super convenient and easy to manage. All right, now let's try the Zoom meeting. Okay, the Zoom app is open. I can create a new meeting. I can join others' meeting. I can share my screen, I can schedule a meeting. You can do pretty much everything here without the need of the computer or your phone or anything else. Everything is standalone running on the StarryHub. We also have the team chat, we have the meetings, we have your contacts here. You can invite people to your meeting, channels, app, everything is here for the Zoom meeting ready to go. Let's just create a new meeting. As you can see, the back camera zoomed on my face, and if I move around, it's gonna follow my face and follow me around just to make sure you capture the person that is talking. That is actually very impressive because the AI controls everything here. So if you have like multiple people here in the room, camera gonna follow the person who is speaking just to make things a lot easier. So the people on the other side of the meeting know who's talking, and it actually very useful function. And also during the meeting with the auto framing option, the camera makes sure you're always in the frame. And I'm sitting down, the camera is gonna adjust and put me in the center of the frame, and also perfect positioning for the video meeting. And from here, you can actually add more participants. You can easily invite people using the email, using your contact. You can share the link, and I'm controlling everything using the touchboard that comes with this hub. You can mute, you can stop the video, you can share, you can do everything that you can do on Zoom on this hub very easily. All right, so that was the online meeting function of this hub. You can do everything you want without the need of computer, phones, anything else. Everything is run on the device. All right, now let's try the record local meeting. So in this app, you can basically use the built-in camera of the hub to record the screen, record the audio, record the video, and also taking pictures, just to make things a lot easier. So if you want to have a recorded video for your meetings. All right, let me just record the screen. So as you can see, the screen recorder is activated. So we can go into different apps, different meetings, and my recording is on the right side on the top, and also the AI autofocus focus on my face, and I can pretty much record everything when I'm talking to. So you can have like an online presentation, super easy, using this function. And if I want to access that file, I go to the file and we go to the meeting recordings and we have that video right here. So it's just gonna play back. Screen recorder is activated. So we can go into different apps, different meetings. And the audio you just heard is coming out from the speaker on the hub itself. And another awesome function on the StarryHub is the AI noise cancellation. So you always hear the crisp audio because it has 6 array microphones and you can adjust the noise suppression from high to the medium to the low. So it doesn't matter where you are in the room, it's gonna pick up your audio and it's gonna enhance the audio to the best quality possible. And this is the audio you are hearing straight from the StarryHub itself. So this device pretty much does it all, so you don't need to install anything else to get the audio out of it. So we have another video meeting app called Peripheral Mode. Let's try that one. So for this mode, we need to use the StarryHub click drop. Just simply connect it to your computer. So for this function to work, you just need to open your Zoom app or other meeting apps, and you can go to the setting, and on the video tab you select the StarryHub as your camera, and on the audio tab you select the speaker StarryHub, and for the microphone you select the microphone StarryHub, and you're good to go. And now you can use your computer to control the meeting, but you use the camera and the microphone and the speaker on the StarryHub, which makes it so convenient. Alright, so that was the function of this CZUR StarryHub. I hope you enjoyed the video. This package is a perfect solution for all your local and online meetings. You don't need other devices like your phone or computer to manage your meeting, and you can do everything with this hub itself. It has a pretty good camera, awesome projection, autofocus, AI tracking and AI noise cancellation, which is perfect so everyone can see you clearly and hear you without the noise. And also the StarryHub is a really awesome function, so you can connect it to other computers and manage your meeting using the computer, but you use the camera, speaker and the microphone on the StarryHub. And also I really love the Touchboard. It's very responsive and works like a charm. And this one is a really powerful tool because it eliminates the need for the keyboard and mouse to connect to and run the meeting. Also magnetic, so you can put it on the hub and it's gonna charge itself. Another awesome function of this hub is the LAN port. So you can manage your local meetings super easy by connecting and using the LAN port. Connecting multiple devices and multiple computers using the LAN port on your local network is just a breeze. The CZUR StarryHub is a great product if you want to make your meeting process super efficient and also very easy to operate. We have a great audio, great video, great functions. You can cast 4 screens at the same time, which is huge. You can use the click draw for the devices that doesn't support the casting. Overall, the StarryHub Q1 Pro is a great product, but if they can add more apps to the App Store, that would be a thumbs up. And also, if they can make the packaging a little bit smaller, that would be a great improvement as well. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.